Cleaning up is fun. Mastering meal cleanup in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today we will talk about a very common, yet important part of our daily lives, cleaning up after meals. This is something we all do every day, but how do we talk about it in English? Let's dive in. First, let's explore the key terms and phrases related to meal cleanup. Doing the dishes. This refers to washing the dishes, pots, pans, and utensils used in cooking and eating a meal. Loading, unloading the dishwasher. If you use a dishwasher, these phrases are used to describe putting dirty dishes into it and taking clean dishes out. Clearing the table. This means removing dishes, glasses, utensils, and any leftovers from the table after eating. Scraping the plates. This refers to removing leftover food from the plates before washing them or placing them in the dishwasher. Wiping down the counters. This means cleaning the kitchen surfaces with a cloth or sponge. Taking out the trash. This refers to removing garbage from the kitchen and putting it in an outside bin. Now that we have the vocabulary, let's put them into sentences and typical English expressions. After dinner, I usually do the dishes or load the dishwasher. Please clear the table and I will wipe down the counters. Don't forget to scrape your plate before you put it in the dishwasher. It's your turn to take out the trash. Understanding a language also means being able to follow a conversation. Here's a short dialogue about cleaning up after a meal. Person A: could you please help me clear the table? Person B: of course. Should I scrape the plates and load the dishwasher as well? Person A: yes, please. And I'll wipe down the counters and take out the trash. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to talk about cleaning up after meals in English. Don't forget, the more you use these words and phrases, the more natural they'll feel. So, next time you're doing the dishes, try to think in English. It might make the task a bit more interesting. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!